Hey guys, welcome back, and this is another video from Tech with Fies. And in this video, we're gonna be learning about drawing with turtles. And if you guys haven't seen my last Python parts, then go ahead and check them out in the link in the description. So let's get started with the video, guys. A turtle in Python is sort of like a turtle in the real world. We know a turtle as a reptile that moves around very slowly and carries its house on its back. In the world of Python, a turtle is a small black arrow that moves slowly around the screen. Actually, considering that a Python turtle leaves a trail as it moves around the screen, it's actually less like a turtle and more like a snail or a slug. The Python is a nice way. The turtle is a nice way to learn some of the basics of the computer graphics. So in this chapter, we'll use a Python turtle to draw some simple shapes and line using Python turtle module. So a module in Python is a way of providing useful codes to be used by another program. We will learn more about modules in chapter 7. Python has a special module called Turtle that we can use to learn how computers draw pictures on the screen. Turtle module is a way of programming vector graphics, which is basically just drawing with a simple line, dot, and curves. Let's see how the turtle works. Let's see how the turtle works. Alright, guys. So first start up the shell by clicking the desktop icon. Or if you guys are using Ubuntu, then select Applications, Programming, and then Ideal. Next, tell Python to use the turtle by importing the turtle module following. So first we're going to import turtle. Import turtle. And then, if you're using Ubuntu and you get an error at this point, you might need to install tkinter to do. So open the Ubuntu Software Center and enter Python tk in the search box. Tkinter writing tk application with Python should appear in the window. Click install to install the package. Creating a canvas. Now we have learned importing the turtle module. We need to create canvas, a blank space to draw on, like an artist's canvas. To do so, we call the function called pen. From the turtle module, which automatically creates a canvas, enter this into the Python shell. Alright. T equals turtle dot pen. Open parentheses, close parentheses. When you hit enter, go over here, and then you're gonna see something open like that. Alright, you should see a blank box with an arrow in the center, something like this, guys. So the arrow in the middle of the screen is the turtle. So that's the turtle right there, guys. And your right, it isn't very turtle-like. So yeah, it doesn't really look like a turtle. It's just shaped like a black arrow. So if the turtle window appears behind the Python shelf, you may find it that, like I'll find it right there, guys. So it doesn't seem to be working properly. When you move your mouse over the turtle, the cursor turns into an hourglass like this. This could happen for several reasons. You haven't started the shell from the icon or your desk. If you're using Windows or Mac, you clicked Ideal by GUI in the Windows Start menu, or Ideal isn't installed correctly. Try Python console instead of the shell as following. In the Windows, select Start All Programs, and then in the Python 3.0, but right now we have 3.9, and group click Python command line. In the Mac OS, click the spotlight icon on the top right corner of the screen and enter terminal. In the input box, then enter Python. Then enter Python when the terminal opens. In Ubuntu, the terminal from your application menu and enter Python. Moving the turtle. You send instruction to the turtle by using function available on the variable t. We just created similar to using the pen functions in the turtle module. For example, a forward instruction tells the turtle to move forward. to tell the turtle to advance 50 pixels and enter the following command. So go back to your shell, then we're gonna write t dot forward open parentheses close parentheses 50, and you're gonna hit enter. And once you hit enter and you go back to the screen, the turtle pen has moved 50 spaces. Alright, the turtle has moved forward 50 pixels. A pixel is a single point on the screen. The smallest element that can be represented, everything you can see on your computer monitor, is made from a pixel, which are tiny square dots. If you could zoom in on the canvas and the line drawn by the turtle, you would be able to see that the arrow representing the turtle just is a bunch of pixels. That's simple computer graphics. Now we'll tell the turtle to turn left 90 degrees, which the following command. So t dot left, hold up, go back to the shell, t dot left, over these close parentheses 90, and then once you hit enter, you'll see it has moved 90 degrees. So if you haven't learned about degrees yet, here's how you can think about them. Imagine that you're standing in the center of a circle, then direction you're first facing in 0 degrees. If you hold out your left arm, that's 90 degrees left. If you hold out your right arm, that's 90 degrees right. You can see the 90 degrees turn to left or right here. If you continue around the circle on the right of where your arm is, pointing 180 degrees is directly behind you. 270 degrees is direction, or your left arm is pointing at 360 degrees is back where you started. Degrees going from 0 to 60. The degrees in full circle when turning to the right can be seen here. There's in 45 degrees centimeters. When Python turtle turns left, it swivels around to face the new direction, just as if you turn your body to face where your arm is pointing 90 degrees left. Then t dot left 90 command points the arrow up, since it started by pointing to the right. Now we will draw a square. Add the following code. So I'm going to be showing you, we're going to be drawing a square now. So add the following code, guys. T dot forward 50, and then once we hit enter, we're going to be going t dot left 90. Hit enter, and now we're going t dot forward 50, and then now t dot left 90. Hit enter, and then t dot forward 90, and then t dot forward 50, and then t dot left 90. And then when you go back to the turtle, it has drawn a square. So your turtle should have drawn a square and should now be facing the same direction it started. To erase the canvas, enter reset. This clears the canvas and puts the turtle back at its start position. So if you guys want turtle to go back to where it was, t dot reset is the command. And then once you hit enter and you look back, it's back at where it was. So, or you can also use clear, just the screen and leave the turtle where it is. T dot clear. So if we have a lot of mess too, we can t dot clear. and I hit enter. It basically didn't do anything right now because I don't have anything on my screen. But if you guys have any on screen, you can use these two commands. We can also turn our turtle right or move it backwards. We can use up to lift the pen off the page and down to the start. Drawing these functions are written in the same way as the other we have used. Let's try another drawing using some of the commands. The time we will have the turtle draw 2 lines. Enter the following codes, guys. Alright, so we're gonna be t dot reset, t dot backward 100. Hit enter, and now we're gonna do t dot up, enter, t dot right 90. Hit enter, t dot forward, and then 20, and then t dot left 90, and then t dot down, and then t dot forward 100. And we go back. As you guys can see, first we reset the canvas and move the turtle back into the starting position with the t dot reset. Next we move the turtle backwards 100 pixel with the backwards 100, and then we use the t dot up to pick up the pen and stop drawing. Then with the command t dot right 90, we turn the turtle right 90 degrees to point down toward the bottom of the screen, and with the t forward 20, we move forward 20 pixels. Nothing is drawing because of the use of the command on the third line. We turn the turtle left 90 degrees to face right when the turtle left 90, and then start the down command. We can tell the turtle to put the pen back and start drawing again. Finally, we draw a line forward parallel to the first line we drew with t dot forward 100. The turtle has moved 50 degrees. Okay. And then there you guys have it, guys. So that's it for today's, guys. I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.